Alrighty, John, here's your 49 big block description combination. Got a set of our ass cast heads on it. Got the ground hydraulic roller. Got the Moroso floor pan on it. It's got one of our Eagle rotating kits in it with custom Racetec Pistons. We just kind of got our dyno manifold carburetor distributor on there for you. Obviously, you got your own stuff. Let her make a run, see if she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,400, 476 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 587, peak horsepower 625, radius 600, so everything's good. What we'll do is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. Show you a couple of things. When you see green, you find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card. It's full of technical information. I'd recommend watching it. On the engine will be this tag. You'll have your engine number, some other specs. That engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. If you need anything, flip it over. It's got a QR code. It'll take some more tech stuff. Highly recommend watch all that. Have a great day.